government is letting its followers test the water. They are floating all these balloons to see what the public reaction is. So the matter is pending before the Supreme Court as a regular appeal against the Allahabad High Court judgment. In my view, to bring an ordinance would be unconstitutional. So let's see whether the government recognizes the constitutional position or it will indulge in an adventurous action. An ordinance, when the appeal is pending, will be an adventurous action which will be unconstitutional. In my view, an ordinance would be unconstitutional. A bill would also be unconstitutional. You cannot pass a bill setting aside the judgment of a high court when the matter is pending in the Supreme Court. That's my understanding of law. I may be right, I may be wrong.